Let's take a deep breath in and exhale. Let's take another deep breath in and exhale. Now, let us chant Om. 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 Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Now, let us pay deep gratitude to ourselves. Let us now say, wow, I'm super duper grateful to you, God, for my eyes, for the beautiful eyes, so that I can see the beautiful world around me. I'm super duper blessed for my nose, that I can breathe the magical air. I'm super duper blessed to have a great immune system, which makes me healthy each day. I'm super duper blessed to have a great digestive system, great intestine, kidneys, liver, which works in day and night and helps me release everything with easily and effortlessly. Wow, I'm super duper grateful to you, God, to have such an amazing heart, loving, caring, peaceful, and abundant heart. Wow, I'm super duper grateful to you, God, for my hands, which can do so many work, So much of work it can do throughout the day. Picking up things, doing my work, doing the things in the laptop. Wow, I can eat my favorite food. I can drink. I can wear my favorite clothes. Thank you so much, God, for these hands. Thank you so much, God, for my legs, which carries me anywhere I want to go. I can just walk anywhere, run anytime, exercise, swim, do so many things, play games, sit, do so many things with my legs. I can jump, I can play, I can run, and simply walk. Thank you so much, God, for my legs. Thank you so much, God, for the gift of today. Super duper loving the gift of today as I wake up early in the morning each day. I see it as a blessing that when the world sleeps, I can get up and do the things I wish to do. Wow, it feels truly, truly amazing as I take care of myself early in the morning. It feels awesome. Thank you so much, God, for my family, for my friends, for my relatives. It feels super amazing to have them. Thank you so much, God, for giving me everything. So many clothes, so many pairs of shoes, laptop to work with, Zoom, internet, and so many things, material things. My bed, pillow, which makes me comfortably sleep. Wow, I love because I have so many things. I'm blessed with so many things to be appreciated for. Wow, simply love it. Thank you so much, God. Thank you. Let us inhale all the blessings and exhale. And now imagine that you are sitting in front of yourself, and now we shall forgive ourselves. Today we shall forgive ourselves of whatever little thoughts are remaining in our mind, that I am not good enough, I cannot do this, ये मेरे से नहीं हो सक रहा है. Whatever thoughts of hatred towards somebody, anger towards somebody, jealousy towards somebody is left, we shall release them all today. So now, let us join our hands and say, Atma, Namaste. I salute the Krishna in you. I salute the divinity inside you. I forgive you for all the mistakes you have made by thinking all the negative thoughts कि मैं अच्छी नहीं हूँ या मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी, कि कैसे करूंगी मैं, मेरे पास कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, कि मेरे से नहीं हो पा रहा है, या फिर किसी के प्रति हेट्रेड कि आई डोंट लाइक दिस वन, दैट वन, बिकॉज ऑफ हर थॉट्स, बिकॉज ऑफ हर बिलीव्स, or any thoughts of comparison, jealousy, self doubt. हमारे अंदर जितने भी थॉट्स हैं जो हमें डर लगता है, वो सब सारे हमें निकालने हैं. We shall remove it all. Today, I choose to release and let go of all the thoughts which are not serving me. I forgive myself for making these thoughts stay in my mind and getting hurt every time. The thoughts of fear कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे मेरे बारे में, लोग क्या बोलेंगे, मैं कैसे बोलूं. Fear of judgment कि मैं कैसे करूं. Fear of maybe just anything, taking the action, fear of going forward. Fear of people कि वो क्या सोचेंगे, कि वो क्या बोलेंगे. Any self-doubt. I forgive you today and let go of any self-doubt that you have कि मेरे से नहीं होगा, कैसे होगा. Of any thought of comparison, of jealousy, of hatred कि ऐसा क्यों है, why is that person like this. ये सारे थॉट्स रख के मुझे अब कोई फायदा नहीं है. It is just hurting me. It is just making me feel heavy. I release these thoughts. I let go of these thoughts. I forgive myself. From all these thoughts, I let go. And now, I shall never keep these thoughts in my heart, in my mind, because they are very painful to keep. It is stopping my growth. ये सारे थॉट्स लेकर मुझे कोई फायदा नहीं है, बिकॉज मुझे सिर्फ पेन मिलता है ये सारे थॉट्स रखकर. आई एम सॉरी दैट आई हर्ट यू, दैट आई गेव यू पेन by keeping all these thoughts. But now I realize कि मेरे लिए वो कोई काम का नहीं है. I am so sorry for keeping all these thoughts. Today I choose to release all of them. I choose to free my soul. I choose to let go. I choose to let go, let go. पहले मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था कि मैं कैसे रिलीज करूं, बट आज मुझे पता चल गया. आई चूज टू रिलीज. आई चूज टू फॉरगिव माई सेल्फ. थैंक यू सो मच गॉड फॉर मेकिंग मी रियलाइज ये सारे थॉट्स को मैं निकाल सकती हूँ और अपने आप को फ्री कर सकती हूँ. I release, I let go, I release. Now imagine a black smoke coming out from your being, like a black smoke going up towards the air. और सारे आपके नेगेटिव थॉट्स of fear, doubt, judgment, comparison, hatred सारे रिलीज हो गए हैं. सारे आपके चक्रा से रिलीज हो गए, आपके ऑरा से रिलीज हो गए, आपके माइंड से वो सब सारे थॉट्स निकल गए हैं. एंड नाउ you are absolutely free to fly, free to have more positive thoughts of gratitude, free to have more positive thoughts that you can do it. And now you're feeling so light that you can easily fly. Thank you, God, for blessing me with your blessings of peace, of joy, of abundance, of happiness. Thank you, God, for filling me, my aura, with so much love, with so much gratitude, with so much of abundance, divine intelligence, peace. And now I choose only and only to make positive emotions, positive thoughts stay in my aura, stay in my being. Imagine all your chakras have been cleaned and all the negative elements have been released. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now let us visualize soft electric violet light is coming from above like a shower and entering your crown chakra, going to your throat chakra, your back heart chakra, and your solar plexus chakra. And this electric violet light has its own consciousness and has the divine energy and knows what to do and where all to clean. Imagine all your chakras. This electric violet light has been sprayed to all your chakras and released all the negative elementals, parasites of negative thoughts has been removed. जितने आपके नेगेटिव विचार थे वो सारे रिमूव हो गए हैं. And now all your chakras is being balanced. It is being healthy. and again been activated. When the upper chakras are activated, then we are not controlled by the lower chakras of self-doubt, of fear, procrastination, and all that. So, all the upper chakras are activated, healthy, and perfectly balanced. Imagine all the chakras are smiling at you and working perfectly fine, and you are smiling back at them, saying, "Wow, I love you." Imagine each and every cell of your being has been rejuvenated, has been healed. All the chakras has been healed, and so are the cells. And each and every system of your being, your digestive system, your intestine, your kidneys, liver, everything has been healed. And all your systems are smiling at you and saying thank you. And you are saying thank you to them. Each and every cell is saying thank you to you and saying, I love you. You are also saying, I love you to them. Now, with this energy, let us imagine your friends, your family on Mother Earth and say, God's love, peace, divine intelligence, and abundance be with you all. May all of you have abundance, love, and peace in your life.
Team meeting.
God's love, blessings be with you all. I love you all. Thank you for being so amazing, so supportive. And imagine God's light is going inside each of them and on Mother Earth. And it is also going to your entire house, to each and every corner. And imagine every corner is blessed with this divine light. And throughout the day, people are working like a team in your family, where people are helping and supporting each other, caring for each other, loving each other, and doing their work, only supporting and loving each other, and working as a team. And that is what we call home, where we grow each other, where we support each other, where we care for each other. And let our homes be the place we want to grow with love, grow with peace, with understanding, with respect. So, lots of blessings to my home, to the people, and may love and kindness be the language of myself and everybody else around me. As we experience the day today, imagine that we are only speaking the language of love, of kindness, of appreciation. And when we do that, we will see the magic unfold to us. We will see blessings coming our way. We will see magic in life every second. Now let us rub our hands with these blessings and tap it all around our body. And now it is time to declare to the universe how amazing we are. So let's open our arms and say, wow, I'm super duper confident. Wow, I'm super duper amazing. I love myself unconditionally. Wow, I'm a money magnet. Money flows to me through all directions. Wow, I'm super duper healthy. Wow, I'm love. Wow, I'm peace. Wow, my voice matters. Yes, my truth matters. Yes, I matter. I am a massive action taker. I keep taking actions each day, and I see success is mine. Wow, I have a super perfect body. I have a super amazing healthy body. Wow, I have super great relations with everybody. Super amazing people are surrounding me at all times. I have a super duper loving family. Wow, I feel amazing at all times. I feel in appreciation at all times. I feel like appreciating everything around me because as I am in gratitude, the more and more I attract good things and blessings in my life. So, gratitude, love, and kindness is my new language. Wow. Super duper loving myself each and every day. Yes, I am born to shine. I'm born to manifest my greatness. I totally and totally love myself. Wow. Yes, you can do it. Yes, you are born to shine. Wow. I love myself. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you all. With love, with abundance, peace, joy, happiness. Thank you. Thank you, Priya.